Analyzing city comparisons on best places is a valuable tool for individuals looking to relocate or research different cities across the United States. To begin, navigate to the Best Places website and select the City Comparison option. Choose 2 or more cities you wish to compare and click the Compare button. The comparison page will display various categories such as cost of living, crime rates, education, and climate. Start by examining the Cost of Living Index, which provides a comprehensive overview of the expenses associated with living in each city. This index takes into account housing, food, transportation, and utility costs. Next, review the crime rates for each city, which are based on FBI crime statistics. This information is essential for understanding the safety of each city and can be a crucial factor in decision making. The education section provides data on school districts, student-teacher ratios, and high school graduation rates, allowing you to assess the quality of education in each city. The climate category offers detailed information on temperature, precipitation, and sunshine hours for each city. This data is vital for individuals who prefer specific weather conditions or have health concerns related to climate. Additionally, explore the Economy and Job Market section, which provides insights into employment opportunities, unemployment rates, and median household incomes. To gain a deeper understanding, utilize the interactive tools and maps available on the website. These tools enable you to visualize data and compare cities in a more engaging and intuitive manner. It is also essential to consider external factors such as cultural amenities, transportation options, and access to healthcare when evaluating cities. When analyzing city comparisons, it is crucial to set priorities based on your personal preferences and needs. Assign weights to each category according to your priorities and calculate a weighted average to determine the best city for you. By following these steps and considering multiple factors, you can make an informed decision and choose the city that best fits your lifestyle and preferences.